Welcome on my YouTube channel my IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assignment Movies. Basically it is the third chapter of Exp2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got A+ marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Our assignment, our project name is EXP 2022 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assignment Movies. So this assignment consists of 22 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name exp2022 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assignment Movies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So in this tab we start Excel, download and open the file name exp2022 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assignment. I have already downloaded the worksheet. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contribute to the monthly movie downloads. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to a chart sheet named April pie chart. So in this tab we select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10 and create a pie chart and move the chart to the new worksheet name April pie chart. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range A5 to A10. Here is the range A5 to A10. Press Ctrl and again select F5 to F10. So select F5 to F10, this one, and create a pie chart. So in the insert tab, here is pie chart, create pie chart, and also it is saying that move it to chart sheet name April pie chart. So copy the name and move the chart to a new worksheet. Move chart here to new worksheet. Chart name is new worksheet name is this one. Press OK. So our chart is moved. Our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is the chart need a descriptive title that is easy to read. Type April 2024 download by generate as the chart title. Apply bold 18 pt font size and black text 1 font color. So in this tab it is saying that type April whatever it is saying that as a chart title and apply bold and pt font size is to 18 and black text 1 font color. So we copy the chart title, this one, and write it as a chart title. Remove chart title, paste here as a chart title and apply bold. Select the chart title in the home tab, this one is bold and 18 pt font color. So 18 pt font size, this one, and apply black text 1 font color. So font color is this one this one is font color and apply text 1 black font color. So our step number 3 is completed. Our step number 4 is add data label in the inside and position. Select the category name and percentage label. Remove value, data labels and legend. Apply 14 pt font size and black text 1 font color to the data label. So in this tab we add label in the inside and position. Select the category name and percentage label. Remove value, data label and legend and apply 14 pt font size, black text 1 font color to the data label. So we go on our Excel worksheet and this one, and in the data label it is saying that inside and data label, and in the more option here we select the category name and percentage label. So select category name and percentage label and remove value, data label. So value, data label is this one, and the legend remove and apply 14 pt font size. So here is font pt size, apply 14 and black text 1 font color, black text 1 font color. So font color is this one, black text 1 font color, and in this step it is also saying that remove the legend. So in this here is legend, we remove it. So our step number 4 is completed. In the step number 5, explore the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. So in this tab we explore the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. So we go on our Excel worksheet. This one is comedy font color, apply it to 7%, click, press enter. No, only comedy. So explode it to 7% and apply dark red fill color. So in this one is fill and solid fill color, and apply dark fill color, red fill color. So dark red is this one. So our step number 5 is completed. In the 6th step it is saying that add ALT text. The pie chart shows percentage of downloads by January for April 2024 including the period. So in this tab we add ALT text to the pie chart. So copy the ALT text, Ctrl C, and in the area right click, and here is the edit ALT text. So here we paste it. So our step number 6 is completed. In this step number 7 it is saying that display the data sheet, select the range A4 to A10 and F4 to G10 and then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So in this tab we display the data sheet. So we first display data sheet. data sheet is this one, and select the range A4 to A10 and A4 to G10. First we select A4 to A10, so A4 to A10 is this one. Press control and select the range F4 to G10. So select the range F4 to G10. We select the range and then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So in the recommended chart, in the insert tab, and here is the recommended chart, in all charts, and in the combo chart. So here is the clustered column line on secondary axis. Press OK. So we create a clustered column chart. So our step number 7 is completed. Our step number 8 is cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. Change the height to 3.5 and the width to 6. So in this tab we cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. So first we cut the chart, Ctrl X, and paste into A13. A13 is this one, Ctrl V, and change the height to 3.5 and width to 6. So here is the format tab. Height is 3.5 and width is to 6. Press enter. So our step number 8 is completed. I have completed 8 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 21 steps. So our step number 9 is this one. Change the combo chart title to April 2002 for downloads. Apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. So in this tab we change the combo chart title to April 2002 for downloads. Apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. So first we select the chart title. Chart title is this one, Ctrl C, and in this we paste it there. Ctrl V, select the chart title, and apply black text font color. So in the home tab, here is the apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. So our step number 9 is completed. Our step number 10 is add a primary value axis, title and type, number of downloads. Add a secondary value axis, title and type, percentage of monthly downloads. Apply black text 1 font color to the both value axis title. So in this tab we add a primary value axis title and add a secondary value axis title. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So our chart is this one. So select the chart. So here is the axis title. Add a primary vertex title and text title name is chart title name is download, number of downloads. Ctrl C and paste here, number of download, and add a secondary value axis. So press here again and axis and secondary vertex. So here First remove access title and copy the percentage monthly downloads. Copy this one and paste it there. Select this one, control and select also. Select this one and apply text 1 font color. Text 1 font color and also select it and apply black text font color. So our step number 10 is completed. So I have done 10 steps of this assignment. So if you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.